In the vast ecosystem of business software, particularly for those looking to automate processes, build custom applications, or streamline workflows without extensive coding knowledge, low-code and no-code platforms have become invaluable. Among the prominent players in this space is Zoho, a company renowned for its comprehensive suite of business applications. When the topic of building custom solutions arises, Zoho Creator frequently comes up. However, there can sometimes be confusion, as Zoho also offers Zohobooks for accounting. So, for clarity and to address the core question, how much does Zoho Creator cost? It's important to first clarify that Zoho Creator is a low-code application development platform. It allows users to build custom business applications, automate workflows, manage data, and create online portals. It is distinct from Zohobooks, which is accounting software for managing finances, invoicing, and expenses. While both are part of the Zoho ecosystem and can integrate, their primary functions and pricing structures are different. This article focuses specifically on Zoho Creator. Zoho Creator's pricing follows a tiered, subscription-based model, typically calculated per user, per month, with discounts often available for annual billing. The cost varies based on the features and capabilities you need, aligning with different business sizes and complexities of applications you wish to build. Let's break down the typical pricing tiers for Zoho Creator to give you a clear picture. 1. Standard plan. Cost. This is typically the entry-level paid plan. Pricing can range from around $8 to $12 per user per month when billed annually, or slightly higher for monthly billing. What it offers. The standard plan is designed for individuals or small teams starting their journey with custom application development. It usually includes the ability to create a limited number of applications, e.g., one application, basic building blocks for app creation, forms, reports, and pages, multi-experience deployment, meaning apps can run on web, mobile, and tablet, basic workflow automation features, branding and personalization options. Who it's for. This plan is ideal for startups, individual entrepreneurs, or small departments within larger organizations that need to build a single, straightforward custom application to automate a specific process. Think of a simple lead tracking app, a basic inventory management system, or a project task tracker for a small team. 2. Professional plan. Cost. The professional plan moves into a higher price bracket, typically ranging from $20 to $30 per user per month when billed annually. What it offers. This tier significantly expands capabilities, making it suitable for growing teams and more complex application needs. It generally includes unlimited applications, allowing you to build multiple custom solutions for different business functions, enhanced AI capabilities, such as more custom AI models and ready-to-use AI models, increased limits on data sources and custom connectors for integrations, more extensive portal permission sets per app, offering finer control over user access, advanced workflow automation features, higher limits on records per user. Who it's for? This plan is well suited for medium-sized businesses or departments that require a suite of custom applications to streamline various internal processes, manage different teams, or handle more substantial data volumes. A project management office, PMO, might use this to build a custom project intake form, a resource allocation tracker, and a custom reporting dashboard, all interconnected. 3. Enterprise plan. Cost. The enterprise plan is the most comprehensive, with pricing typically around $25 to $37 per user per month when billed annually, though custom pricing might be available for very large deployments. What it offers. This tier is built for large organizations requiring robust, scalable, and highly integrated solutions that can serve as core software for their operations. Key features often include all features of the professional plan plus extensive integration capabilities with a vast number of business apps, often 650 plus, advanced data integration and preparation tools, sophisticated analytics features like predictive, what-if, and conversational analysis, SAML-based single sign-on, SSO, for enhanced security and user management, custom domain support for portals, rebranded mobile applications for a fully custom look and feel, higher limits on cloud functions and records. Who it's for: large enterprises, government agencies, or organizations with complex IT environments and critical business processes that need custom-built, highly integrated, and scalable applications. This could involve building custom ERP components, complex supply chain management tools, or large-scale data management systems. Factors influencing the cost. Several factors can influence your final Zoho Creator cost. Number of users. This is the most direct factor. The more users who need access to the applications you build, the higher the cost per month will be. Billing cycle. As with most subscription software, choosing annual billing over monthly billing almost always results in a lower effective monthly cost. Required features. Each tier unlocks more advanced features, so your specific needs will determine which plan is appropriate. Don't pay for features you won't use. Add-ons. While the plans are comprehensive, there might be specific add-ons for additional storage, advanced integrations, or premium support that could incur extra charges. Nonprofit/educational discounts. Zoho often offers special pricing for nonprofit organizations and educational institutions, so it's worth inquiring if you qualify. Is there a free plan? Historically, Zoho Creator has offered a limited free plan for individual use or very small projects, providing basic app development tools and limited storage. However, it's crucial to check their official website as free plan availability and features can change. Many low-code platforms also offer a free trial period, which is an excellent way to test the software's capabilities and determine if it meets your needs before committing to a paid plan. As a project management expert, I always advise conducting a thorough needs assessment before investing in any software. For Zoho Creator, this means clearly defining what custom applications do you need to build, how many users will access these applications, what level of complexity do your workflows require, do you need advanced integrations or analytics? By answering these questions, you can align your requirements with Zoho Creator's pricing tiers and choose the most cost-effective plan that empowers you to build the custom solutions your business needs. It's a powerful tool, and understanding its cost structure is the first step toward leveraging its full potential.